Hello students, hope you all are fine here. Now, today we are going to learn about the chapter mensuration, that is Max 2. This chapter we have already learnt a part of it here, right? Mensuration means what? Measurement. That is to measure areas, volume, etc. of different geometrical figures. It could be of a two-dimensional or a three-dimensional, and you can see so many different types of figures have been placed here, right? Let's see what is this figure about. This figure is what, dear? This is of a cube shape, and this is of a cuboidal, right? And this is of a cylinder, and this is sphere, and this is hemisphere here, and this is a cone, and this is a new term for us, frustum, which we are going to learn newly this year. Okay dear, so whatever the formula we have learnt last year, we will do a fast recap. Yes dear, let's start with the basic formula here. Firstly, area of a square, that is side into side, and area of a rectangle is length into breadth, and area of a circle is pi r square, and a circumference of a circle is 2 pi. So these all are a two-dimensional, and with the help of this we can easily find out the three-dimensional formula. Okay, figures formula. So firstly we'll start with the figure, that is a cube. Can you all see the cube here? All sides are equal. Of a cube. Okay, total surface area of a cube we want to find out. So we can see that how many sides do we have in the cube? We have seen there are 6 sides in the cube. Okay, and what that is, we are talking about the area of a cube. That means nothing. This figure is about, it's like what? This is like a square. So what is the area of a square? That is side into side or a side square. We can write it or a so what is this? 6. They asked total surface area means all the 6 sides. So we have written 6 into, and the one face itself, it's like a square. So what is the area of a square? That is side. You can say area 6 square or a 6 into length square here. Understood how we area of a cube? Let's go for the volume of a cube. When I am talking about a volume of a cube, when I am placing a cube like this, which basis we can see? We can see here. Again, what is this? Area of a square. Right? Area of a square. That is what is the area of a square we have learned? That is side square. And when I talk about the height is nothing but the side here, because all sides are equal here, and the height, length, breadth, whatever, all are equal. So side square into side here. So it becomes side cube. What do we say? What is the total surface area of a cube? That is 6 into side square, and a volume of a cube is side s cube, that is side cube, or we can say length cube also. Understood here how we have derived this one? Now let's go for the cuboid. This is all we have learnt last year, but still I felt I should make a small revisions for you all. Okay, now let's see this figure. That is a cuboid, right? So when I say about the cuboid here, now you can see, what do we say? This part is a length, and this part is a what? Standing part, like this is a, we say as a height here, and this is a thickness. What we say about the thickness is it's a breadth here, right? So we can see how many sides do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 sides here also, right? When I talk about a total surface area of a cuboid here, okay, so what do we find here? This is a length and this is a height. Length and height here, L into H, LH. So similarly you have here also LH. So how many LHs become? 2 LH, right? And I have finished with this part. Now I'll come for this part. Here what you can observe, this is the breadth and this is the height here. Okay, this is the height and a breadth and a height. So what do we have? The formula B into H here. So B into H here also. Similarly in the opposite side also, again we have 2BH. So we have completed this part and this part here. Let's come to the base part. What is this base part here? It is a, here what do we say the base part here? This is again a length here, and if I hold it like this, this is a nothing but a, if I hold like this is nothing but the breadth here. So again this is L in, so the upper part is also L. So we have LB, 2LB. So we have H and 2LB. So if we take common, we have LH, BH and a, you can directly, I have taught you, remember, we have to remember like this, LBH, we can make a pair, jodi, okay, and LH is derived from all the 6 sides, it has been derived here. Okay, if it is been asked what is the area, I mean lateral, when I say lateral surface area of a cuboid, that means we are talking in a room where we are talking about a 4. Similarly, here also, what does this mean? We are saying that means this side and this side and this side and this. We are leaving a floor, यानी नीचे का पार्ट, जमीन का पार्ट और ऊपर छत का पार्ट भी हम के अलावा जो है उसको बोलते हैं लैटरल सरफेस एरिया. ओके, 4 स्टैंडिंग वॉल. दिस इज अ एल एंड दिस इज अ बी. दैट मीन्स ऊपर का एल बी और नीचे का एल बी छोड़ देने का है. सो व्हाट इज दिस, आई मीन 2 LB विल बी लेफ्ट हियर, 2 LB विल बी टेकन, रिमूव आउट. सो 2 LH plus 2 BH is the lateral surface area. We can take it like this also. In this 2 and a H common, that is L plus B. You can get it like this also. So that means it is been covered. It has been touched here. So the base L into, that is B, L into B. And what always you have to remember, whenever we are asked to find out a volume, that means area into height. तो हमारा जो क्यूबॉइड इधर नीचे रखा है, तभी कौन सा एरिया टच हो रहा था, L इंटू बी टच हो रहा है और इंटू हाइट. सो दैट मीन्स L इंटू बी इंटू हाइट, LBH we say. Always remember, whichever formula of volume it is asked, you should remember that volume, that is area into height. एरिया कौन सा फिगर है, ये रेक्टेंगल का है, तो एरिया का फॉर्मूला क्या है, रेक्टेंगल का फॉर्मूला लेंथ इंटू ब्रेड्थ इंटू हाइट. सिमिलरली यहाँ पे भी देखो, वॉल्यूम साइड स्क्वायर, एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर साइड स्क्वायर है, इनटू हाइट. हाइट यहाँ पे क्या था, क्यूब में सब सेम था, इसके लिए साइड लिखा है तो एस क्यूब बना है. सी क्लियर विद दिस वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूब एंड अ क्यूबॉइड हियर.